I've been a realtor for over 22 years, and here are some of my top craziest and embarrassing stories. I remember I was meeting some clients out, and it was our first time out, and I had eaten something for lunch on my way, and when we got there, things were fine, and then all of a sudden I got violently sick and I threw up in front of the clients. So that was very embarrassing, not a good impression. Second, I was on a showing in the wintertime and we were walking out. We had just finished viewing the property and they hadn't shoveled their steps. And I slipped and flew about 5 feet up in the air on my back and down the hill, and my client had to come pick me up. So that was an embarrassing moment. Doing a showing one time and a client had naked photos of themselves loosely displayed out. Not on purpose, but they forgot to hide it. That was weird and creepy too. My very first open house that I did when I became a realtor, wasn't my listing. I went to go do the open house. I opened up the door and there was this music playing and the house was vacant. So I go in, like I said, it's vacant, no one lives there, there's no radio, there's no piano, but it was music that was playing. So I got chills, it creeped me out, and I did not do the open house. I closed the door because I for sure thought that it was haunted.